Why does only 10% of the population of the Earth control 90% of the world's wealth? If you are in the category of lack of money and want to go to the category of excess money, then you need to urgently start the course of Andreykhovratov, The 8 Rules of Private Investor. If you have already invested and your experience did not meet the expected result, you should especially study the author's video book of Andreykhovratov. Mr. Andreykhovratov, a professional investor, investment consultant in the investment business since 1997. Only for the last 2 years, more than 100 people are received from Andrey initial knowledge on investing, where 10,000 people received gifts of more than $200,000. From the video book 8 Rules of Private Investor, you will understand the simplest things and apply to your practice. What is financial independence, and what is the difference from financial freedom? What are the differences between investing and investments? The 5 commandments of the private investor. What is investment discipline and greed? The main secret of the richest people of the world. And what does it mean to receive 300 to 1,000 annual income from all your investments? Today, all this may be obtained as a gift. This information is invaluable and will help you to change your financial condition once and for all. Your income will only grow and multiply. Right now, click the button you see on the screen, and when you will go to a landing page, enter your name, phone and email so that we can send you the video book.